Does your app have multiple sections but still feel cluttered or hard to navigate? Organizing content clearly is key to a smooth user experience, and with connected pages, it's easy to do. And in this video, I will show you how to create connected pages in Jotform Apps to organize content and guide users through a smooth, intuitive experience. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So connected pages let you separate content by category, add clarity, and create interactive multi-page app experiences that feel natural to explore. So to get started, open your app in the Jotform App Builder. So I'm going to select mine and click on Edit. Then at the bottom left corner, you want to click on Add Page to create a new section inside of your app. And then once we have that new page, we want to click on the gear icon just to the right to open up the settings for that page. Now, inside of the Page Properties panel, underneath the General tab here, you want to enter a page name. So I'll enter About Us, and this label helps users understand what the page is for. Here, you can also control access and visibility. You can toggle require login, you can choose whether to show the page on the navigation, and you can enable show icon to add an icon for clear navigation. Next, let's switch to the condition tab, and we can use role-based access to control which users can view this page. Now, once your page is set up, you can start adding elements and content to bring each section of your app to life, like headings, images, videos, links, and so forth. And connected pages help organize content into focused sections, makes apps easier to browse and navigate. It creates clearer, more engaging user journeys. And that's it. With connected pages, you can build structured, multi-page apps that feel clean, intuitive, and easy to explore. Thanks for watching, and explore more Jotform app features, and we'll see you in the next video.